come to the rhythm of this.
Randalia.
What?
Randalia.
Randalia? Welcome to the rhythm of Randalia music. So, where are we going now? Hello.
Floating resto.
Get number 2. This right here. Okay. So we are in Loboc, Bohol, Philippines.
Look at what is behind us is the boat, the floating restaurant, the Loboc River
Yeah,
floating restaurant.
we're gonna have a lunch.
Yes, we got 2 tickets, so come join us eat, guys.
The boat is not moving yet, but we already have the food.
Yay! Finally,
Are you hungry?
super hungry.
Zupa dupa.
Okay, let's eat,
Cheers.
guys.
I got fish. That is, I think, lechon, some chicken, and veggies. And that is freaking spicy.
Yes. And I got wait baby, pancit, chicken, tofu, sizzling tofu, and then the sweet and sour dilis. This is like the
Got the same.
not baby, the what do we call this one? Seaweed. This is the seaweed. Yes.
Seaweed.
This is fish. I think it's, I don't know. And then this is the pakbet. So that's it, Mela. Let's eat. Maybe the soup.
The soup first.
Yes.
The soup is about Sinigang what? Pinola?
Just tinola, baby. Tinola isda.
Tinola. The fishy.
Yeah, sinigang na isda, baby. Yum. Soup. Sinigang na isda.
This is the land of the golden sun. This is the home of the noble man. Welcome, rejoice. This is the home, Lord of the world. Welcome, okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Loboc River Floating Restaurant. We are now going to cruise this river up to the Cycles, approximately 1 hour, 30 minutes back and 30 minutes forth. Hope you enjoy cruising along with us. Enjoy eating! Okay, so this first song is from Carpenters. I won't last the game without you.
I know that notes. Kuya, how much for the beer? How much for the beer? Huh? 85. That's 85, baby. It's just the same as the hotel, baby. Go for a beer, babe.
I love you.
Water, but water.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
Yung tubig, kuya, how much? 50 yung tubig. Okay. I'll have tubig and also, one beer and one water bottle.
Baby, I love
Of course! You do, and I love you more.
Welcome
That's a national dance of the Philippines. Also, traditional Filipino dance.
How's it named? Pinikli.
Tinikling. P-I-N-I-K-L-I-N-G. Tinikling. Balik po. Hapon. Ah, it's so beautiful. Then let's take around, baby. Ah, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Bye! Okay. Hi,
Hey
y'all.
guys, so after a wonderful dinner on this floating restaurant, we're now going to 7-Eleven.
Yes, buy some essentials, especially water, because most hotels actually have expensive water and even restaurants. So we buy water and some
And we hope we can
groceries.
get a brewed coffee.
Yes. Yes.
Because our hotel, of course, has only
Instant coffee.
instant coffee 3-in-1.
Yeah.
My favorite.
Yeah. Oh, baby, I think they have
Negative way.
brewed coffee.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Here's the cafe.
Yeah. This is a cafe. Okay, then.
When we go after we go back from
yeah.
7-Eleven. Okay.
Yes, my love.
Let's go explore some Loboc.
Loboc local
Yep.
stores, establishments, whatever we can see here.
Historical building.
Yes. Oh yeah, I saw the church earlier.
Yeah. There,
Yeah,
over
we
there.
haven't checked it
Behind
out.
it.
It's like
Yeah.
yeah, that one.
Spanish.
Yeah.
Very Spanish.
Colonial
Spanishy.
Spanish. Okay.
Okay, what's the
walk. Go to this bridge. Loboc Bridge.
Bridge of Loboc. For whom the bell tolls. Balik sa Bohol.
Bye, baby. I love you.
These are bananas.
See the banana? My ananas banana.
Yes, here's a banana. But they're still green. Green bananas.
Maybe we can cross here.
Sun burns like hell. I mean, it's not like super hot like it was 2 hours ago, but it's still extremely beautiful. What I have noticed, there is no tricycles. Most of the time tuk-tuks.
Yeah. That's their version of tricycle, the tuk-tuk.
Where?
We have red horse, mule, flavored. Oh, they don't have... Ate, may pilsen ka? Wala. They don't have pilsen.
Okay.
I think 7-Eleven have. But no pilsen. Yeah, I can have that. Ooh.
I will have a small red horse.
Okay.
Right.
A mule.
That's really large coffee. Okay guys, after this busy day of running over the Bohol and recording videos for you, we are chilling in the pool in Stephanie Gray's Paradise Inn in Loboc, Bohol, Philippines. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.